Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ServiceNow records using data export schedules step by step clearly. To begin, log into your ServiceNow instance with your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Application Navigator on the left side of the screen. In the Application Navigator, type in Data Export and select the Data Export Schedules option. You will now see a list of existing data export schedules. To create a new schedule, click the New button located at the top of the page. In the New Schedule form, enter a meaningful name for your export schedule in the Name field. Next, select the desired table you want to backup from the Table drop-down menu. Proceed to fill in the Description field to clarify the purpose of your export. Now, choose the export format from the Export Format drop-down. Options typically include formats like CSV, Excel, or XML. After selecting the format, specify the frequency of the export under the schedule. You can set it to run daily, weekly, or monthly based on your backup needs. If you want to filter specific records, scroll down to the Conditions section. Here, you can define conditions that records must meet to be included in the export. After configuring conditions, move to the Advanced tab. In the Advanced tab, you can set additional parameters for the export if required. Once all necessary information has been entered, review the details for accuracy. If everything looks good, click the Submit button to save your new data export schedule. The system will now create the export schedule, and you will be redirected back to the main list. To ensure that your scheduled export runs without issues, monitor the last execution column periodically. If any errors occur, you can review them by checking the export logs associated with that schedule. Regularly verify that the backups are completing as expected to maintain data integrity. This process will help you securely backup your ServiceNow records effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.